Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to save your document on Canva to the Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Canva. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to canva.com. Click on the link. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we can do is scroll to the bottom where we have recent designs. Click into this, wait for that to open up, and now to save the document that was created in the previous tutorials directly to our Mac computer, we can click on share and then go to download, and then we should be able to choose the file type, PDF standard or docx, or then choose the size of the document itself. Once we were to, let's just say, select the options, we could then click on download. However, there is an alternative technique that we can use to download that created document a faster way. So if we were to, let's just say, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the document in recent designs and go to download. And here we have the same options, but a faster way. So let's now click on download. This will then ask us to where we want it saved. Let's just click on desktop, save. And that is now downloaded to our Mac computer. And there we have it. ComputerScienceVideos.pdf. Let's now quit preview. Let's go back to three dots, download. We can change to, let's just say, JPG, download. That is now downloading. Let's now save to the desktop again, and this will open up in preview again as a JPG. Let's now quit preview. Let's go all the way to the desktop, and here we have the JPG and PDF files saved directly to the desktop on a Mac computer via the Canva application through Safari. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.